How does Bellwether approach building long-term relationships with its customers? Here at Bellwether, we're not just in this business for quick transactions. Our focus is on trust, earning it, keeping it, and showing up when it matters. Earning and keeping trust, that starts with doing great work, communicating clearly, and standing behind every project we complete. And it shows in our long-term customer relationships. Many of our homeowners return to us years later for new projects or refer us to their friends and neighbors. We also track this through third-party feedback using Guild Quality, which is a customer satisfaction platform. Every customer gets surveyed as their project wraps up or at the end of their project, and we use that feedback to improve and grow. With that, we've earned the Guild Master status, which is Guild Quality's highest recognition for customer satisfaction. It's not something you can buy or self-report. It's awarded based on verified customer feedback. That kind of accountability matters to us. We want our customers to feel like they made the right choice working with us. We want them to feel that way for years to come.